The Council of the Galactic Federation has convened to consider membership for organisms living in the galaxy. None of these organisms are aware of the existence of the Galactic Federation. The beings who manage the Council are quite different from us. For one thing, they are all clones and can only be distinguished by their voices and the jewelry that they wear around their necks. The Council keeps two membership books. A large book contains the list of the numerous species throughout the galaxy that have developed intelligence, and a much smaller book lists those that have advanced further and reached maturity, qualifying them for contact with members of the Galactic Federation. Not every civilization listed in the Book of Intelligent Species makes it to the Book of Mature Species. Most, in fact, are crossed out first, as species go extinct before qualifying for membership in the smaller book. But no member in the smaller book has ever been removed. At council meetings, membership in the larger book is always taken up first, and we now join the meeting as the last of this group is being discussed.
Our observers have confirmed that this species has manipulated fire, which is the criterion for a land-based species. We will file a supplemental report as soon as they establish agriculture.
Thank you. Very good. I understand we have one candidate for full membership.
Yes, it's the third planet orbiting a yellow dwarf in the R24 quadrant. You might recall there was some controversy regarding this one a few generations ago. A particularly inspired member of this species derived the E=mc² a bit earlier than we'd expected. In fact, it turns out that the equation is still not understood by most members of the species. Nonetheless, with the help of the equation, the species did attain the final criterion for maturity.
You mean the development of thermonuclear power? Excellent. Give me the exact coordinates of the world, please. Yes, I know the world. A large section of their population call it Earth. And now that they have obtained thermonuclear power, their ships will be able to probe out far enough to contact the Federation.
Actually, our observers tell us that they have not yet penetrated space. They've only made short excursions around their own planet. In a strange coincidence, the spacecraft resembles the reproductive organ of the male of the species, as does the leader of the project.
That's odd. After all this time, they should have developed interstellar drive. What have they been doing with their thermonuclear technology?
Well, instead of working together to develop interstellar travel, they have spent significant resources developing thermonuclear weapons and detonating them on their own planet.
On their own planet?
Yes, I'm afraid so.
Silly asses.